Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find Landbank account number. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Landbank, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to search on Landbank on Google, and after that just go to their website right here. So this is their main website. So the first website to appear is their main website. And after you do that, you will be redirected to their website. And right here, as you can see, you will find a buttons on the top side, or you can just, scroll down on the bottom part until you find this option, chat with us. So if you want, you can just click them and, input your information, your land bank information, and of course, your issue that you want to find your account number. Or you can go to the top side and click this button, and as you can see, when you click them, they will show you a contact number that you can contact to find your to talk to the customer service. And right there, when you're talking with the customer service, you can ask them to find your account number or help you find your account number. And after that, they will send you guidelines on how to find your account number. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. So you can choose any of this one. You can choose the email one, the phone number one, but I recommend you to address your issue using the land bank customer service phone number, because it's easier and also it's more faster to be approach with. And yeah, that's it. That's how to find your account number on Landbank. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.